Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a helpful feature of Gmail that you may not have explored yet. Viewing message requests. Whether it's from a colleague or a new contact, there's a way to find these hidden gems in your inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version downloaded for the best experience. Next, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your chats and messages live, so tap on it to proceed. Now, here's where the magic happens. Tap the message icon with the plus sign located at the bottom right corner of the Chat tab. This will take you to a list of any recent messages you haven't yet reviewed. Finally, tap on Message Requests. Here, you'll find all the messages from people outside your usual contacts, waiting for your attention. And that's it. Now you know how to view message requests on Gmail easily. Don't forget to check your message requests regularly for any new connections. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.